everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we are here at Purva Bluebell, which is located in Magadi Road, Central Bangalore, a project developed by Purvankara Group. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details and you can check out the modern flight as well. And about the land parcel is just behind me where the construction work is going on. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this miniature. So this is total 3.85 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. That is Tower B consists of 2 basement ground plus 32 floors. This project offers purely 3 BHK ultra luxurious apartment. Now let's discuss the location part. So this project is located on Magadi Main Road in Central Bangalore. You can connect to GT World Mall in 850 meters. KSR Bangalore City Junction is 1.5 kilometers. Balagangadhar Swami Flyover is 2.5 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So as you can check out, here are the raw materials and the internal amenities for the project. This is the staircase and how they built up a balcony, and inside your washrooms over here. Now you can check out here are the flooring. This type of flooring they will be providing you all. Now coming to the other part, here is the raw material that how they built up, and the first one about the parking area. So this is how the parking area were built up. Now let's move further. So this project provides you ultra luxurious amenities like this is the grand clubhouse with swimming pool, office spaces, indoor game. This is multi-purpose school, garden area, kids play area and many more amenities in this project. Now let's discuss about the parking provision. So Purva Bluebell offers 2 types of car parking, and that is the ground and the basement level of car parking.
Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Purva Bluebell. As you can see in the image, there are 2 towers constructed on this land parcel with luxurious amenities. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1434 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1628 square feet super built-up area.
Now the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can check out, just behind me is the land parcel where the construction work is going on, and this clarifies that the 70% work is already completed. Now about the position part. So the rate of possession of Purva Bluebell is June 2029. But Purvankara Group is offering the possession by September 2027. Isn't it wonderful, right? And if you're looking for more details along with pros and cons, Housey.com is here who provides you pros and cons along with all the details and information of the project with free site visit as well. So quickly register on Housey.com. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of the residential project that is Purva Bluebell, which is located in Magadi Road in Central Bangalore, a project developed by Purvankara Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.